Today, we will be exploring the magnificent city of Los Angeles from an aerial point of view. Join us as we take to the skies and delve into the wonders that this vibrant metropolis has to offer. Nestled in the sunny state of California, Los Angeles has captivated the world with its glamour, diversity, and endless opportunities. From the shimmering coastline to the iconic landmarks, let's embark on an aerial journey through the City of Angels. With a population of over 4 million people, Los Angeles stands as a bustling urban center that stretches across approximately 469 square miles. Its vast expanse and diverse neighborhoods offer a myriad of experiences, ensuring that there's always something exciting to discover. Los Angeles is a city that embraces dreams and creativity. From the world-famous Hollywood sign to the glitz and glamour of the Walk of Fame, this city is an epicenter of entertainment and artistic expression. Let's soar above its iconic landmarks and soak in the magic that has enchanted generations. As we glide through the city's breathtaking skyline, it's important to note that Los Angeles proudly holds the title of the most populous city in California and the second most populous city in the United States. Its vibrant tapestry of cultures, neighborhoods, and communities truly make it a melting pot of experiences. And with that, our aerial exploration of Los Angeles comes to an end. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating videos. Thanks for watching.